Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Zoho CRM for custom modules and views, full guide step by step clearly. To authorize Zoho CRM for custom modules and views, start by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Navigate to the Setup section in the top right corner. In the Setup menu, locate and click on Developer Space. From the Developer Space, select APIs. Now, click on API Documentation to access the relevant resources. Scroll down to find the section on OAuth. Click on Create Client to begin the process of creating your client application. Fill in the required fields such as client name, homepage URL, and authorized redirect URIs. Select the client type based on your application requirements, either web-based or server-based. Once all fields are completed, click on Create. Take note of the client ID and client secret generated for your app. Next, navigate to OAuth under the API section again. Here, you will need to generate the authorization code. To do this, construct a URL using the client ID, redirect URI, and required scopes. Open this URL in your web browser. You will be prompted to log in and authorize your app to access Zoho CRM data. Once authorized, you will receive an authorization code in the redirect URI. Copy this authorization code for the next step. Return to the API section in the developer space. Now, click on Generate Access Token. Paste the copied authorization code into the respective field. Submit to generate your access token and refresh token. Make sure to save both tokens securely, as they will be needed for API calls. Next, ensure that your custom modules are correctly set up in Zoho CRM. To do this, go back to the Setup section and click on Customization. Select Modules to view your existing modules. Here, you can create new custom modules if needed. Once the modules are created, you can begin to authorize and apply custom views. Navigate to the module for which you want to set up views. Click on Views and then Create New View. Name your view and define the criteria that will filter the records. Customize the columns displayed in your view according to your preferences. Save your new view, and it will now be available for use within Zoho CRM. Finally, test the access token by making a sample API call to ensure that everything is functioning correctly. Monitor the responses in your console to confirm successful integration. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.